Today I'm going to demonstrate the music player application. First we need the activity main. In this activity main we need media player. So one text view I have added media player with text as media player and text size as 50 dp and text style as bold. Then I need a seek bar. Seek bar in the sense you need the songs to play, say for example from 0 minute 0 seconds to some 3 minute 55 seconds there is a song. You need to have a seek bar for forward and reverse. So that ID I have given as seek bar only. Then I need reverse, that is rewind. I have taken the image button rewind and I have taken the forward button forward. Then play pause button, I have taken one image play button, the same button as pause. So this is with respect to XML. Now with respect to manifest, there is no any changes. I have added only one line of code, that is screen orientation portrait mode. Then coming to the main activity. So while coming to the main activity, I have taken one image button. So image button, what is that image button which I have taken? So in this image button I have taken all the image button, the play button, rewind button, so play button, rewind button and the forward button, all these image buttons. So I have described image button, so play button, forward and rewind. Then I have taken seek bar. In activity main you can see the seek bar. I have taken the seek bar, so I need to integrate the seek bar. Then media player, so and handler. So while coming to the integration, to this XML ID which I have given as a play button for play and pause button ID, this ID should be integrated with the main activity. So forward button with the forward and rewind button with rewind and seek bar with seek bar. So the next task is upon clicking the play button, so media player is playing. So you are handling the new handler, that is your updater. So what is your updater? That calls back the updater. So runnable updater, you are mentioning this. There you are mentioning media player is, if it is playing, then the seek bar, it will be continuously playing with a 1000 milliseconds, that is 1 second. Okay. So if you pause it, okay, so play button, if you pause it, media player dot pause function will arise. One click, first click, else media player will start. Okay. So when coming to the forward button, so 10,000 milliseconds I have mentioned. 10,000 milliseconds means, so 10 seconds forward. So current position plus 10 seconds. Rewind, current position minus 10 seconds. Then seek bar, so to desired position, say for example 3 minutes 53 seconds, 3 minutes 49 seconds, to go to that position, so we are mentioning the seek bar. So once you run this, so you will get to know what is the desired output. I'll just run the emulator. Then one more thing, you need to create a raw button, a raw file in your drawable resource file. Then you need to paste this song. Okay, so the same song will be played in your application. So you can give URL also. I have given the resource ID. Okay, so you can see here. resource dot raw file, look at file name. So it will create this is the songs which will be played and which will be paused, which will be rewind, and which will be forwarded in your application. So whatever the songs you like, you can paste here, or else you can have a reference also here. URL reference also you can use. I'm running the emulator. So in manifest file, you don't have any changes here. In activity main, you have changes. Only the three image button you have taken. One is play, pause, one is rewind, one is forward. Then one seek bar you have taken, and one text view is taken. Okay. Stop and we'll play it again. Again, I'll play it. Emulator. So it is resetting, booting option. It is installing. Installation is in process. Now you can see the screen with an application. If I click play button, yes, song is playing. I can use the seek bar also to make fast forward and rewind. I can use the button also for rewind. I can use fast forward also for forwarding. I can pause it. Okay. Thank you so much.